ever wondered how to keep your passwords secure and easily accessible on your Apple devices? Well, the solution is closer than you think, tucked away in the heart of your iPhone, iPad or Mac, known as the Apple Keychain. Getting to grips with Apple Keychain is like finding the keys to your digital kingdom. It's a secure and convenient tool that keeps your passwords, credit card details, and even Wi-Fi networks safe. But how does one set it up? First, you need to open the settings on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top. Then select iCloud and find Keychain. Flip the switch to turn on iCloud Keychain. You will be prompted to enter your Apple ID password. Type it in, and voila, your iCloud Keychain is now activated. On your Mac, it's a simple process too. Click on the Apple menu at the top left of your screen, select System Preferences, and then iCloud. Check the box next to Keychain, and your Mac is now in sync with your other devices. But how do you add passwords to your Keychain? On your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, then Passwords and Accounts, and finally, Website and App Passwords. Here, you can add, delete, and manage your passwords. On your Mac, you can find these options under Keychain Access in your Utilities folder. Now, you might be wondering, what if I forget my Keychain password? Don't worry, there's a solution. On your Mac, open Keychain Access, select Preferences, and then reset my default keychain. You'll need to enter your Apple ID password, and your keychain will be reset. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Keep your Apple ID password secure and unique, and consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Regularly update your passwords and remove any unused ones. To summarize, Apple Keychain is your secure digital vault for passwords, credit card details, and Wi-Fi networks. You can set it up on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac and manage your passwords easily. If you forget your Keychain password, you can reset it with your Apple ID. And always remember, security is paramount, so keep your Apple ID password safe and regularly update and manage your passwords. This is your digital fortress, and you're the gatekeeper. With Apple Keychain, you can rest easy knowing your digital world is secure.